Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, we have the Alliance War rewards, and before we show you the rewards, let's see what we did. I'm super happy. Finally, यार मेरा almost 5 साल पुराना सपना पूरा हो गया, and as you can see, we have finally landed to master rank 9. So like great season for us. If we see the leaderboard, if I'm not wrong, ASR placed number 1, so congratulations to them. Great alliance. We have Kinob. They were usually like ये लोग हमेशा used to on like first position. This time they were on rank 3, which is like good for the game. New Nation on position number 3. And now if you go to the Masters, 4 Loki I believe is number 1 in the Masters bracket, so super congratulations to them. ISO 8A, Space Bastards, Super Andromeda Skulls, Guerrero, GT40, AGTG, Apoco. This is our main alliance, the alliance that spends a lot. Those are the heavyweight boys, so congratulations to our senior alliance. D69, these nuts, we defeated them in the season, so strange how they are on top of us, but that's not an issue. Like, we do get the same rewards. And this is our alliance at position number 9. So तुम देख रहे होगे कि मेरा नाम 9 पे है, alliance 10 पे है, पता नहीं क्या logic है इनका, लेकिन we are at the like 9th position. And then you have some Asian alliance, I don't know what is the name. Then we have I guess this is a Brazilian alliance, La Casa da Palamos, or some Mexican alliance, I'm not sure. Then you have MIBR, made in Brazil, the Matrix family. We were like defeated by Matrix, so yeah, congratulations to them as well. They ended up in Masters. I have a very close friend, Siddharth, over there, a good friend of mine. Then we have Gotham, Mercenarios, DSVG, Munash I believe is in this alliance. And then we have Tifili's Lover. So yeah, so these are the top 18 alliances. And now finally 5 साल के बाद जो अपने को ये जो अपना ड्रीम पूरा हुआ, लेट्स गो हियर। आई एम नॉट गोना क्लेम द कंपनसेशन, सो हाँ, कंपनसेशन भी ज़बरदस्त आई है, एंड इसी की वजह से आई विल बी गोइंग फॉर द लेजेंड्स रन ऑफ एक्ट 7.1. आई विल बी स्ट्रीमिंग इट फॉर श्योर, नॉट लाइक द एंटायर थिंग, बिकॉज मेरा आईपैड जो है इट स्टेज फॉर लाइक 3 hours ऑन चार्ज. So we'll see how it turns out. Else I'll just record some stuff and I'll put it in videos. So we'll see how it goes. And now finally we have the rewards. So super pumped about it, super happy. Master rank 9 and this amazing title. Let's go and claim it, guys. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe. Let me take a screenshot. I think we can. Or we can't, I'm not sure. Yeah, there you go. I should be taking a screenshot of this. But yeah, super happy. Could not have been better. ये क्या हुआ? Okay, whatever. So I'm recording it on my phone. I usually play it on my iPad. I just record it on my phone. Now we'll go to some crystals and open. I won't be opening 6 stars because I'm saving them all for the upcoming 6-star featured, but we'll be opening, you see, 102k. So those are like some great savings that I've done. So hopefully Cosmic Ghost Rider मिल जाएगा अपने को. And now we'll go and let's open 10 of these and see what we get from them. Nice, that's not bad. 1005k shards, that's not bad at all. But उससे पहले, before we go into the very crux, the title that I've been wanting forever. My God, this title is, you know, what I've been wanting forever, and yeah, super happy about that. So finally sapna pura hua, and I'm just gonna hoard all these daily Thronebreaker crystals now. And let me open as many 5 stars as possible so that we can get that 5-star Wolverine somehow. मेरा बस यही है कि Wolverine और मिल जाए और Scarlet Witch और मिल जाए. अरीना में आ नहीं रही है यार. What can I do? So now let's open these 5 and what we get, tech, और इसी के साथ मेरा tech complete हो गया है. Now Ghost can go to rank 3. if I want. So I'll see if she is really good in Act 7.4 7.1 Legends run, तो मैं इसको rank 3 करके I'll go for the Legends run. Else I'll see how it goes. And अभी एक चीज़ और open करनी है. So where it is, yes, 10% tier 5 class catalyst. इसमें से जितना मिस्टिक चाहिए मिल जाए उतना अच्छा है. So Dr. Doom rank 3 करना है to take up the prestige as high as possible. Let's see how many we'll get. And Mystic please. वाह, अब टैक मिलेगा. जब टैक नहीं चाहिए तब टैक ही टैक मिलेगा. बट कोई ना, नेक्स्ट जो भी चैम्पियन आएगा उसके लिए. लेट्स ओपन दीज टू, जस्ट पॉप देम. मिस्टिक मिल गया, दैट इज़ गुड, नॉट बैड. So I think we are all set now for the 5-star features. I don't think so we have anything else that I want to open right now. I'm just holding everything so that I have enough ISO and like all that stuff. So let's go to, let's see, I think I can open 3. Let's buy as much as possible and hopefully we get that Wolverine from here. बस वही चाहिए, बाकी सब है मेरे पास. I have everything that I need except Wolverine. So hopefully we get him, else I'll go for the Incursions crystal. Incursions में भी मिल जाएगा. So yeah, that's there. I think we dupe him, or was he like already duped? Not sure. I think he was already duped, and this guy is a trash can. But yeah, ability awakened, so not bad. First time awakening is always good. And like 2 more features I can open, right? Yes, so last 2 crystals, and then guys, yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys very soon, for sure. Like for Act 7.1 variant 5, a lot of stuff coming this year, and the featured arenas as well. So दे दे भाई Wolverine. I just want that guy यार, come on. आसपास भी नहीं आता रील में. ये स्टूपिड चैम्पियंस में तो इतनी बार ड्यूप हो चुके हैं. लाइक क्या ही करूँ इनका मैं. कम ऑन Wolverine W, कम ऑन गाइस, गेट मी द Wolverine. अरीना ही ला दो या तो. आई विल गेट हिम फ्रॉम अरीनास. ये मैंने फीचर मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 40 के करीब खोल दिए हैं यार. मिलता ही नहीं है Wolverine. क्या ही करें अब. एंड Professor X, I have him duped. पता नहीं 40-60 के करीब होगा इसका. हाँ ठीक है. 50. What else can be done? Great. चलो इस बार भी नहीं मिला Wolverine, क्या कर सकते हैं. Yeah, just going to the plans again. So if I go here, compensation तो मैं claim नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तुम already देख सकते हो कि so much stuff is there in the overflow. बहुत सारे लाइक हेल्थ पोशंस वगैरह मेरे को फार्मिंग करनी है अभी. बट आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिवाइव्स दैट आई कैन यूज़. एंड लाइक कबाम वालों ने भी काफ़ी सारा रिवाइव्स दे दिया है. यहाँ पे भी कुछ रिवाइव्स पड़ी हैं 1-2. और इफ़ आई गो टू माई कैटलिस्ट, यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. Tier 2 अल्फ़ा, Tier 1 अल्फ़ा, सब कुछ. Tier 5 बेसिक्स, सब कुछ इसमें है. इन्वेंट्री में पड़ा है अपना स्टैश में, ओवरफ्लो में. सो वी हैव टू डू सम ग्रेट डिसीजंस वेरी सून. If I go to my 6 stars now, so you see how it's looking. Namor है rank 3 है, Captain America rank 3 है, Dr. Doom rank 2 है. इसके लिए अपने को Tier 5 चाहिए अभी. So we'll do that. But Ghost को मैं चाहूँ तो अभी के अभी rank 3 कर सकता हूँ. But I'll hold on to that. Yeah, I need to hold on to that. Let's see how she is. And Captain Marvel rank 3 है, Black Widow rank 3 है. So 5 champions. We do have options of Aegon. इसको मैंने dupe कर लिया. So this guy can go up. Or if you can see, he can also be taken to rank 3. He's ready. So I can have 2 more rank 3s right now, whenever I want. But अभी नहीं. We'll just see how Legends run are being going for different people, and then we'll like see what's the best option, because वो Legends run चाहिए ही चाहिए. So yeah guys, that's a quick opening for me, crystal opening for me. And we're saving all these 6-star shards 103k. So for like in next 6 days, just expect a very big opening, and hopefully we get the new featured 6 stars. Like I'm basically looking for Cosmic Ghost Rider. Uske alawa to like literally nothing matters. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah guys, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day ahead, and please subscribe, like and share. I'll catch you guys on the flip. Take care guys. Bye bye.